a Super Company wiring kit. The part number is 1402. This wiring kit can be used for almost all the vehicles, for all cars and LCVs. This is a universal kit. The cost of the wiring kit is 1157, and here you can see the circuit diagram for the connection. So I'll be unboxing this and show you how this looks. So here you can see this is bulb holder for 100 by 90 watts P43T. So for this bulb, this holder will be suitable, and you have dual headlamp relay and all the wiring connection. I'll show you the individual parts. This is dual headlamp relay. Cost of this is 344 rupees. This is bulb holder. Cost of this is 94 rupees. Then you have the bulb here. It's a Bosch bulb. Cost of this is 85 rupees. This is P43 type. Then you have the wire here. This is 5 mm wire, or you can call it as 1.5 square mm wire. 25 meter cost you 1000 rupees, 1030 rupees. Then you have the connecting sleeves here, and you have tape, and tape would cost you 25 rupees. So if you want to make it yourself, you can use all this individual parts, and you can make this wire connection thing. Or you have a fuse holder here. Sorry, I forgot to mention it. Here you have the fuse holder, and this will cost you somewhere around 84 rupees. So if anyone wants to do it on your own, you can buy the individual parts and you can do it. Or if you want to buy it as a kit, you can buy it from Super Company, and even in Bosch you have as a wiring harness kit, and in Minda you have a better wiring kit. So that's it. Thank you, friends.